it. And even though my spinner kind of got stuck, so I couldn't do this little spiral thing that I was looking to do, I am very happy with these results. Okay, I really like this piece a lot. I'm loving all of the different layers that I can see from initially going in with the sponge and painting it first. And again, all the light striations that you see that were there. Okay, so if you guys remember, I assume you did if you watched the whole video, when I did this spray paint with the water, which I love that look, spraying it, and then I got all those kind of bubbles. Now I was hoping they would stay, but I knew that they would break. And I don't mind them, okay? And you can see it here, but that just adds texture and a lot more detail. And of course here, it just accentuates the other areas. But I really loved adding these in some of the areas that popped. And it just, you know, gives it that extra element of glam, but it looks absolutely stunning in either way that you put it. And if you guys are new, I love creating things that you can put in any display, mainly because I sell my work. And even myself, when I've bought stuff, I've said, you know, I'd buy that, but. And so, you know, I've always said that I would try to do that. And for most part, my work can be displayed in almost any direction. But this is my favorite one here. Okay, and again, I love these slight lines that I made because I left those when I was going over with the sponge. And one of the coolest things is that glare, that gorgeous light and reflection that you get when light hits the metallic silver spray paint. I absolutely love that. So of course I will spray seal this. I always spray stuff when I've added anything additional. And I will frame this in a gorgeous white frame that you guys will see in a moment. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to leave a comment and hit that like button. I know it's so easy. I watch videos too, and I could love it. And sometimes I click off and then remember and then go back on and hit the like button. So when you leave your comment, hit that like button, or when you hit that like button, please leave your comment. It helps the video trying to hit 20K. And stay tuned for the quick close-up, and I will see you all in the next pour.